So, new brush, synthetic, of course. So if you haven't seen my previous reviews, I'm on a search for the perfect synthetic brush. Because although natural hair ones are great, and I do have one, it's the first brush I ever bought and I didn't, well, think much beforehand. Yeah, so natural brushes actually use animals that are killed specifically for this reason, or for the for industry, which is horrible, and I don't want to participate anymore in that. Therefore, I'm searching for synthetic brushes, and so far the best I've found yet, but we'll see today if I actually get a better one, is this one, Raphael Soft Aqua. I'm searching for a mop brush, something that is about 9 millimeters wide here at the stem. I mean, that's what suits my type of watercolor. And yeah, I tried this one in the shop, and it seems to be really good. So I have one here and I'm gonna do a review of it. As you can see, it's called Unico Infinito 850 Italy. That's what it says on it. Right, so let's try it out. Okay, so this is the new one, the Unico one. Unico, I said. Infinito. Here's the tip. And here's the stroke. Anyway. So you can do fine lines and then broaden them. And yeah, it does have a bit of spring back, which is a good thing. And yeah, I'm quite satisfied. So let's compare it to the other two. This is the Raphael one, which is synthetic, and this is the Vincent one. Vincent, was it? Yep, which is the natural hair one. So what I found, and you're gonna see now, is that with the synthetic one, which is still better than others I've used, including the, what are those called? I forgot the form anyway. So the tip isn't as nice as on natural brushes, and it isn't as fine. It does have better spring back though, which means that it comes closer to its initial form. And this would be the natural hair one, the Vincent one, which has a better tip, but less spring back, so it tends to stay quite deformed after you make a stroke with it. As you can see, it stays deformed. So I would say that this one, the Unico, is somewhere in between, but it kind of is the best of both worlds, because it has a really nice tip, but it also has quite a lot of spring back. So yeah, it's great. What I don't like about it, and this is quite subjective, is that, well, the handle shape, for once. I don't know, I find it a bit kitschy. It's this plastic. Also has this flat part in here. Oh, for fuck's sake. It has this flat part in here, maybe so that it doesn't roll over, I don't know. Also, I tend to prefer, just from aesthetic point of view, the ones that don't have these wires, that hold the hairs together, but rather the ones that have those metal cylinders. So this is a number 2. Again, it's about 9 millimeters wide in here. They have also smaller as well as larger ones, and I definitely recommend it. And this is the brush that I'm gonna use from now on. Let's make a splatter also. Great.